Hey guys, so somebody asked me if taking this tail light tint off will damage the lights. So, what better way than just to show you guys. I'm gonna go with a different kind on these ones. I'm gonna switch to the ones from Delicious Sticker CA. It's a wet install. I've always liked how those turned out, but I want to take these off, answer your guys' questions if it messes anything up. These ones are pretty sticky. If you remember when I did the front ones, it left tons of residue when I took the marker lights off. And these ones, a little bit, a tiny bit on the edges. They're really super thick pieces of vinyl. Like, they look good. I do like how they look. But one thing I didn't like about these, if you remember when I did the install, is they didn't have the cutout for the button for the trunk release. So you have to use an X-Acto knife and cut the little square out. So that was kind of poor craftsmanship on that. I mean, having to cut that square out. But there you can see the difference, the smoke, and then this part still has it on. Really subtle. Like I said, it's light smoke. You can go the darker if you want more of a drastic, but I like the subtleness of it. So to give you an idea here. See, there's quite a bit of glue on here, on these edges. Nothing as bad as the front, but I mean, there's, if you can see right there, quite a bit that you have to take off. So that was one thing I don't really like about these, is that when you take them off, there's a lot more work that has to be done, where all the other ones from Delicious Stickers, you just pull it off and there's nothing underneath it. It's perfect. So like I said, this is nothing major, but just disappointing that you still have to sit here and scrape this off. And as you know, the more you do this, the more chance you can put little hairline scratches in the plastic on the lens. So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are thinking about doing it, I would suggest going with Delicious Sticker CA. I will put a link in the description. Great quality. I've used them for years. I highly recommend them. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you on the next one.